To be the best, you got to beat the best, and y'all ain't beat me yet. It's making a documentary about Baltimore. Baltimore, rewired, the money behind the machine. The judges, the lawyers, and the politicians that get played to lock up black Baltimore. Y'all made money off the wire. Y'all made money off of zero tolerance and stop and frisk. Y'all made a lot of money off the underclass in Baltimore. Oppressed people only going to be oppressed for so long. Then they're going to start pressing up on you. I've been pressing up on you since 1986. N62528. I reinvented myself in Baltimore. I changed my product. I didn't change my hustle. This President Street, Falls Road. If you go to 11190 Falls Road, that's my store. That's my property. And I want my property back. 2023, Westmore for governor. 2023, Governor Hogan, you ain't going to be in the seat no more. That means that you're not immune to prosecution. You feel me? He who knows the law is no... Ignorance of the law is no excuse of the law. Knowledge of the law is priceless. That's why lawyers get paid. You feel me? That's why lawyers get paid. I ain't never paid for a lawyer in my life. You feel me? September 2011, I won my case in Baltimore County. At the conclusion of a trial, the defendant is supposed to be compensated freely, duly, and at the expense and the convenience of the government. Y'all owe me $250 million for the property you stole. You stole my intellectual property. That's covered under the First Amendment of the Constitution. Do you understand me? That's Scott Shellenberger and Sheriff Fisher. Scott Shellenberger, Sheriff Fisher, Judge Souder participated in fraud in the court. Chief Johnson, I was kidnapped by the state. I ain't even supposed to be in Baltimore. I'm supposed to be in Las Vegas, Nevada. I've been here for 11 years, and I've been homeless for the last 11 years. But that ain't stopped me from my fight. I'm an activist. I'm not an actorvist. I told y'all when I started this, you'd rather walk through hell with gasoline drawers on than fuck with me. Well, here go the gas, and here go the drawers. That's February 2011. I was potty training politicians. I put that toilet in front of the courthouse because I was shitting on you. You feel me? That's Donald Trump and Cox. I'm going to do the same thing to y'all in 2024. That's Theroux, Baltimore's biggest loser. We're going to follow the mail because the mail is a paper trail. And the mail going to send you to jail. That's Governor Larry Hogan and Al Redmer. I was insured for $1 million when I did this shit. I'm a businessman. I own my business, man. That's Judge Roberts. When I started this, I contacted Judge Roberts. He told me what to do. So I put it in a book. It's about the 1964 Public Accommodations Act. The right to use your courts. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects? Well, dog, this is Dred Scott 2023. That's Scott Shellenberger. He knowingly lied to the grand jury and presented false evidence to the grand jury. The toilet was a toilet. A toilet don't care if you're black, white, straight, or gay. A toilet take your shit every day. So we're going to trade places in 2024. Scott Shellenberger going to jail. Y'all just elected Scott Shellenberger. So all the cases that Scott Shellenberger had, since 2011 gonna have to go reverse and remand it. Y'all had the gun task force and y'all went after the gun task force. I want the courts and the corruption in the courts. You feel me? And revenge is a best served cold, but success is the best form of revenge. So Governor Hogan, we're gonna see each other today. That's the state of Maryland. Weavers, all right? That's me, Weaver. I'm a 2021 Weaver Award winner. You see that? That's the 2021 Weaver Award. I went from Baltimore's worst to Baltimore's best in 11 years. That's Adrian Jones. This is Senator Kelly from 2007, to whom it may concern. That's Senator Kelly. And that's our next governor, Westmore. I support Westmore. That's David Irwin from David Irwin's law firm. See what it says? Dwayne G. Davis, 119050 Falls Road. That's the Country Rib store. We're going to talk about that. Because I was making a movie about y'all. Ask Sidnor. Ask Clippinger. This is the Shorty program. Part of the Shorty program is film and art and film. See right here? Religious calling, connections, bridges, visual arts, political involvement. I gave that all to you and you kidnapped me from my family. You feel me? Shorty's Barbecue, 1999. Like I said, Falls Road. Go to Falls Road. That's my store. I'm famous for toilets because I be shitting on people. And I put the toilets everywhere in the city. Ain't no law against making a movie. Y'all made a lot of money off of black tragedies. When they made that 2006 Stop Snitching video, y'all sent a lot of brothers to jail. 1986, I told y'all about that. Save a cop's life in the war on drugs. Y'all gave Ed Norris a brand new job at CBS Radio. $100,000 when he got out of jail. I ain't get nothing. That's ABC too, because y'all had this in 2010. See the date? See the case? I never got a trial. Like I said, it's about Baltimore. Y'all know who she is. That's Ricky Specker. That's Marilyn Mosby. That's Luke Broadwater. That's the Baltimore Sun. See that? December 10th, 2015. Office of the States Attorney. So we're going to talk about Baltimore and what Baltimore do. Like I said, this is Shorty back then. And you kidnapped me from my family because I was making a movie about your prison industry. Freedom is almost perfected. Just a few more laws, regulations, and cages. I went home on vacation and came back on probation. That's my movie release. The Governor Hogan got it. See it? That's my family. And these are the supporters of Shorties. You feel me? Art and activism, the art of protest. And we're going to shine the light on Marilyn Mosby, too. Potty training politicians. If you want to get out of your position, you need to snitch. Like the Stop Snitching video from 2006. Make y'all snitch on each other. Because you got to produce that mail. You got to produce that mail. These are my customers. And they want to know what happened to me. That's a criminal charges against Scott Shellenberger. Y'all going to have to press up on him. Because like I said, I was making a movie. And here goes my movie releases. That's Eric Barron of the Department of Justice. And I'm a member of Out for Justice. And it ain't going to be just us. That's Baltimore Arts and Promotions. That's the Creative Alliance. That's Get Shorty. Like I told you, I was making a movie. Get Shorty, 2006. So from 2006 to now, that's what we're doing. I'm with Best of Book Bus. This is what I've been doing as well. All right? Building libraries across Baltimore. We gave over 1 million books. 1 million books. 1 million miles. And we with Sitco. I'm with the Hood Hope movement. Hope. You feel me? Collateral consequences. Reform is a must. It's the Baltimore beat. See the mail receipts? We get ready to shine the light on all this, because like I said, y'all made me famous for toilets. I'm Shorty. I reinvented myself. I'm still shitting on politicians. I'm a member of Out for Justice, Westmore. And ex-felons got a right to vote. Register to vote. Voter registration. You feel me? You got that? I'm an activist. I'm an activist and I'm a cook. And this is my art exhibit. Shorty's Traveling Art Show. You feel me? And we're going to shine the light on Baltimore. Right here on President Street. Weavers. Weaving a better Baltimore. So I see you downtown. I'll be at the game today. I'll be at the game today. Remember that. I'm a weaver. A tapestry of life. Right here. We're going to let the world see what being black in Baltimore is. I never got a trial. I'm going to get one in 2022 or 2023. Dog don't bite. How you doing? I ain't videotaping. All right. Oh, go ahead. Who are you? Who are you?
I mean, ain't nobody.
Yeah, you is somebody. Don't never say you ain't nobody. You is somebody.
I'm a citizen.
You a citizen? Well, I'm a citizen too. We citizen to be a...
I heard you talking, waiting on my cousin to come back. But...
All right, you can videotape all this. This is an traveling art show. It's art and activism. The art of protest. Everybody know me as Shorty. Shorty, pull your mask up.
My name's Sonny.
Yeah, all this is about the prison industry. When they closed the projects in Baltimore City, the prison industries in Howard County, Baltimore County expanded. You know what I'm saying? They grew a lot of money. Baltimore, the generates $500 million a year off of prison labor.
Facts. I already know that.
I'm a prisoner's right advocate. I'm a member of Out for Justice. And all this is facts. And here go your prison. Right here. Right there for you. You feel me? A few more cages. Yeah, that's me. I went home on vacation, came back on probation. I was making a movie called Letters Design, and they locked me up for doing it. So I'm making one called Baltimore Rewired, and everybody that's on the pictures know me. I'm a caterer. I'm a cook. See Mosby? All this is mail receipts, because mail is a paper trail. Send a nigga to jail, don't it? And all I got is facts. I'm an activist. I'm famous for toilets. 2011, I put a toilet in front of the Towson courthouse. You feel me? I was shitting on politicians. I can't shoot you, but I can shit on you. Yeah, here go a toilet in the back. Look at the toilet in the back. Same thing. I gave him a rim job. We gave out over 1 million books. You know what I'm saying? Books over bars, education instead of incarceration. I don't need 1 million people to march. I need 1 million people to pay attention. Feel me? So welcome to the big show. Welcome to the big show.
I ain't got no money, man.
You ain't got to give me no money. I didn't ask for no money.
I know, but...
See that? That's me. I'm the cook. Who that? Parliament Funkadelic, ain't it?
Okay.
George Clinton, make my funk the P-Funk. I want my funk on cut.
Okay.
You feel me? And who is that? Your representative. Who is that? That's me.
Okay.
You feel me? If you talk shit, you gotta be able to back that shit up.
Shorty.
So open up the toilet.
One-man books.
Yeah, them are free books. You can take whatever's on the back of the truck except the Activist. That's mine. But if you want anything here, jokes, I'm selling them. Mine is free. This 6 o'clock in the morning, you know, this how hustlers hustle.
I see you.
You know what I'm saying? It's like parking lot pimping.
Get early.
Yeah. Oh no, open the toilet.
Early.
We talking about police brutality, you know what I'm saying? If me and you gotta share the toilet in jail, you know what I'm saying? One of the cleanest things in our jail cell.
Right.
Wash our socks, our drawers, all that shit. Keep our shit cold. You feel me?
I put the hands on your head. I'm ready now. All right.
Alright, but you see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And you do it when you make them uncomfortable, because we ain't got no more Martins and no more Malcolms. We got these self-serving demigods. Baltimore beat it. I'm cool with the Baltimore beat. But they new here. Here you go. I don't need 1 million people to march. I need 1 million people to pay attention. Today I got 999 more. You feel me?
Sunny, baby.
Sonny and Shorty. Feel me? This is real streets of Baltimore. I love you, man. This ain't my fight. This is our struggle. Safe ain't get me here. Stupid did. Safe didn't get me here. Stupid did. They pay attention to dumbass shit. You see, we're on the streets of Baltimore. Homelessness, mass incarceration, your prison industry, dog. From the gutter to the government. From Falls Road to President Street. From Annapolis to Zion, everybody knows Shorty. Mike! Check! Can you hear me now? Raven Stadium today.